In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion workspace for your design work. If you want a simple system to keep your creative projects organized, Notion is a great place to build it. Instead of scattering information across folders, notes, and messages, you can bring everything into one workspace that supports your design process from start to finish. Start by creating a dedicated Notion workspace for your design work. This gives you a clean environment where you can manage everything related to your clients and projects without distractions. Once that's ready, create a main dashboard. Think of this as your home base. It should give you a clear overview of your active projects, your clients, upcoming deadlines, and any important resources you need to access often. The goal is to open Notion and immediately see what needs your attention. Next, create a client database to store client details. This is where you'll keep essential information connected to each client relationship, making it easier to stay organized over time. A database is especially helpful if you work with multiple clients because it gives you one reliable place to look whenever you need context or reference material. After that, add a project database for your design jobs. This should be separate from your client database so you can manage individual assignments more clearly. Each project can then be connected to the right client while still having its own timeline, notes, and progress. This separation helps a lot when one client has several ongoing design jobs at once. Within your workspace, create sections for briefs, inspiration, brand assets, feedback, and files. These sections make your workflow much smoother because they reflect the actual materials you use during a design project. Briefs help you stay aligned with goals. Inspiration gives you a place to collect visual direction. Brand assets keep logos and style elements easy to find. Feedback helps you track revisions, and files ensure important deliverables are not lost. As you build out your project pages, make sure each design project is tracked by status, deadline, and priority. This is what turns your workspace from a simple collection of pages into a practical management system. Status shows where the work stands, deadline keeps timing visible, and priority helps you decide what to work on first when multiple tasks are competing for your attention. Finally, review your dashboard weekly to stay organized as a designer. A regular review helps you update deadlines, check project progress, and make sure nothing is slipping through the cracks. Even a short weekly reset can make your workspace far more useful and help you stay focused, prepared, and in control of your design workload.